have 10 reasons for you why real estate is the best investment ever. Hi, my name is Casey and welcome to Brick by Brick Wealth. Today I'm going to tell you 10 reasons why real estate is the best investment. If you're watching this on YouTube, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you're watching this on Instagram, please like, comment, and share the post so others can see the video as well. The first reason why real estate is an amazing investment is because it will always be in demand. There will always be people needing a place to live. You're never going to run out of people who need a place to live. You might need to adjust your price up or down depending on your area. The second reason why real estate is the best investment is because real estate appreciates over time. Over time, your property will be worth more and more and more, which is just bonus money for you. Initially, you'll be getting cash flow from the rent checks you'll be collecting every month from your tenants who are paying you. They'll be paying your mortgage, which includes your property tax, your insurance, your principal, and your interest. And on top of that, you'll also be getting appreciation. Over time, the value of your property will increase slowly and steadily. And where at one time it might have been a $100,000 property, in 10 or 20 years, it might be worth $200,000 or more. So again, you'll be getting that little investment every single month, making a huge difference, as well as a bonus appreciation at the end. Real estate always appreciates. Sure, there might be short dips in the market, like the recession in 2007, 8, 9, that whole thing back then. People thought there's no way our housing prices are going to be this high ever again. And what do you know? It's 2020 right now, and just a few years ago, we had already surpassed the highs of the real estate boom in 2006. So real estate will always appreciate. It's just a safe bet. Another reason why real estate is such an awesome investment is because you can leverage the cost using other people's money. Other people's money can include a bank, mom or dad, some random investor that you partner up with. Real estate is amazing because you can put in a little bit of your own money and control a gigantic sized investment. You can leverage the cost of an asset using other people's money, and your investment will be worth far greater than the amount of money you put into it. For example, when you buy a property, let's say you're buying your first single family home and you're going to use a traditional method of putting 20% down. Let's say the property is $100,000 for easy numbers. You put $20,000 into the property as a down payment, but you're controlling an asset worth $100,000. That is an amazing opportunity to control something that's worth far more money than what you're putting into it personally. Another reason why real estate is such an awesome investment is because you have direct control over your investment. You are the one managing it. You are the one controlling who manages it. You have direct control over everything that has to do with your property. You don't have to invest in risky stocks that you don't really know much about. You don't have to put your hard-earned dollars into someone else's hands to manage them for you, hoping that they know what they're doing and that hoping that they provide a good return for you based on their past successes. Well, with real estate, you own your property and you are in direct control of it. You don't have to count on other people to make the right decisions for you and be scared whether they will or not. Your owning your own property is an amazing asset. Another reason why real estate is just amazing is because you have the ability to make passive income with very little work. I mean, most weeks I spend literally 0 hours managing my property. Sure, some weeks I have to do more work than others. Some weeks I might have to deal with a tenant issue or a leaky faucet once in a while. But for the most part, once I have my machine rolling, once my real estate properties have tenants in them and everything is going smoothly, there's nothing really for me to do but sit back and collect rent checks while I'm sleeping. The amount of money you can make with real estate while you sleep, once you get the ball rolling, is really one of the top-notch things of why people love investing in real estate. You don't have to spend your hard-earned time making every little dollar of income when it comes to owning your rental properties. Another reason why investing in real estate is just the best idea is because it is easy to repeat. You don't have to learn any complex strategies or take certain classes to get certifications in to be able to do this. It's a pretty easy, simple, and straightforward process. Once you get your first rental property under your belt, you just repeat the process over and over and over. You use the same strategies over and over again, buying your second property, your third, your fourth, and so on. If you're one of those people that like to spread your risk and you don't like to put all your eggs in one basket, real estate also has that opportunity for you as well. You can purchase properties that are very, very different and spread the risk over different types. For example, you could buy a single family house. You could buy a duplex, triplex, or fourplex. Those were all residential, but they're a bit different. You could also go commercial and buy an apartment building with multiple units, a 40-unit complex, a 70-unit complex. You can buy properties on the beach. You can buy properties in the desert. You can buy properties all around the country. One of my friends owns properties in Florida in the hurricane area, and he's always so scared when there's a hurricane warning. But he also owns properties in Ohio and Indianapolis. So he spreads his risk there, because if a hurricane came through and wiped out all of his properties, he would have a lot of insurance claims and they might drop him. So he spreads his risk throughout the country buying different sorts of properties. There are a lot of ways in real estate to minimize your risk. Another reason why investing in rental properties is such a great idea is because it's a safe investment. People have been buying rental properties forever, and the housing prices have always gone up. For example, think about the 1940s, 1950s, 1960s, 1970s. Holy cow, housing prices are never going to be at that level. And what does that tell you? That tells you that housing prices always are on the incline. They might have short dips now and then, but if you hold on to them long enough, if you are in the long game, the buy and hold strategy, then your properties will appreciate over time. Another reason why real estate is so awesome, and you should definitely consider it if you're looking for ways to invest your hard-earned dollars, is because it's not complicated. You don't have to quit your day job to do it. And like I said earlier, you don't need to learn complex strategies and have crazy certifications that cost thousands of dollars to obtain, and then you have to maintain those, throughout the years. If you're considering investing with rental properties, I have a free 7-lesson training program for you. You will get 1 lesson delivered to your email box every day for 7 days. It's all about rental properties, and I highly suggest it if you're looking to invest in rental properties. And my number one reason of why I absolutely endorse buying rental properties is because it works. You will be able to save money for your retirement. You'll have passive income in retirement. You'll be able to live more of your dream life now in life with your passive income and your monthly rent checks that you'll be collecting every month than just having to wait and experience your wonderful days in your retirement years. You can start enjoying that now. 99% of millionaires have been made through real estate. It's not a get-rich-quick process, but it is a get-rich process. It just takes time, it takes some knowledge, and it just takes a little bit of patience. We can all do it, and that is what's great about investing with rental properties. I would love to have you join my absolutely free Facebook group, Create Passive Income with Rental Properties. The link for my free Facebook group is below in the description if you're watching on YouTube, or it's in my link tree in Instagram. I would love to have you join, get to know you, and help you on your journey to cashing your first rent check. My name is Casey, and thank you for watching Brick by Brick Wealth.